Caroline, thank you so much for showing us around this building.
You're welcome.
Let's do it.
Yes. So we are in this building, and the courtyard is a shared area for the moment. We are facing the other street, which name is the Paradise Street. Rue du Paradis in French.
Oh, that's okay.
Two bedrooms, one full bathrooms, and the listed price is 275.
Okay.
So this is full kitchen, and you have also the oven over there.
Yeah.
And even a matching rubbish bin.
Yeah, it's got a nice, I like this.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
worktop.
Yeah.
And you know, most of the furniture can stay in the flat.
Okay.
Maybe the exceptions of the mirror or something like that, something more personal.
Yeah.
So here you have one bedroom, could be also turned to be an office or something like that.
Right.
And that's Paradise Street, is it?
Paradise. Same type of street you've seen on the front, just a one-way, very quiet and peaceful because not so many traffic. This one is a bigger one.
The main bedroom. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
main bedrooms. Still facing the other street.
Yeah.
There is the full bathroom,
Okay.
which is in very good condition
Yeah.
too.
It has a nice ambience, doesn't it?
Yes.
Nice feeling.
Yeah. Oh, those are gorgeous. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt this video, but if you're thinking about moving to France, but this is going to be quite a few years away from now, but you just like to find out where the perfect spot for you guys is in France, well, you can use our Region Matcher service. This is going to be the perfect service for you. You're going to give us all of your information on what your hobbies are, what your kind of weather you like, what kind of activities you want to do. And our experts are going to match you with the 3 top regions and create a specific digital map so that you can review this and also have a call with myself for 45 minutes to discuss the region that we've matched you with and the reason why potentially this will work for you. So without any further ado, go in the description box or use the QR code to purchase your Region Matcher service.
This is probably a new pocket floor. Here, this is from the origin.
This is actually quite good for being the original.
Very good.
Yeah.
But we've had some really interesting discussions because Sanjay's brief was originally not wooden floors.
Oh.
But actually, when you see it in context like this,
You have to walk on it to feel it.
It's not glue that stick to the floor underneath. You have some beams.
Yeah.
You know, and
nice.
so
Nice.
it prevents from the noise and making too much noise,
Right.
such as the interior shutters.
oh yes, you've got the
Which
wooden
is nice,
shutters.
yeah.
Yeah.
Which is really nice.
And there you
these,
have the church bell.
Church bell, just here. Here you will pay for 2025. They pay 1,100 euro per year.
Per year. Okay.
Per year, and also you have a residential tax, which were not existing a few years ago,
Right.
but back now.
Is this the habitation?
Oui,
Okay.
c'est ça.
Great.
And here it's 934 per year.
per year,
So it's mean 2,000 roughly
Okay.
for both.
Okay.
Yes, which is affordable,
Yeah.
reasonable. Yeah.